Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mueller, and today is Thursday, May 23rd, 2024. Today's topic is the rollout of the grooming technique, and I'm breaking it up in small segments. I announced it on Wednesday, May 16th. All right. And yesterday, on Wednesday, May 22nd, I listed the most 10 common questions that we get. And it's broken down into two segments because Instagram can't take it's limited in terms of text. So I broke it up into two pieces so it can be done on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. So the methodology basically is this: we're going to take it in small bites. Why? Because I want you to practice what you learn. It's easy to learn how to do steps 1, 2, and 3. It's a little more challenging to learn how to do 1 through 7 at the same time. And slow is better. We learn better, we comprehend more. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. So if you're interested in becoming, as a practitioner, an equine lymphatic therapist, email me at info@healequine.com. You can also take a look at our curriculum at healequine.com/lymphatic curriculum. Don't forget, folks, we can make a difference. Why? Because we can in 2024. Let's believe in the possible.